Oh, hi. So in this recording, I'm just going to show you a tutorial on how to do word searches and crossword puzzles on the computer and on your tablet or phone. So here we have what looks like a student's Google Classroom. Here is what's going to be assigned shortly, a DNA Basics word search. Let me on. Let me open it up and show you what it looks like. All right, so now it is open up on your screen. There are instructions on the second slide to assist you, but let me just coach you right through it. Your words are down here, and in order to identify the words that you find in the scrambled up letters, grab this tool, this line tool, and just draw a line right through it. And that will pretty much do it for you. Again, there are instructions right here. Do not forget to turn it in. So when you are complete, you are going to go back to the, let's view assignment here. You're going to go back to the entire assignment page and you're going to click turn in. All right. It will ask you to confirm and do so. You turn it in, it sends me notification that you have done it. I'll show you what it looks like on the phone. All right, so here it is on the phone. It should, there you go. Now you can see it. You see task 18, clicking on it, hitting instructions, and now I am hitting the icon to open it up. Now, here you're not going to be able to use it just yet. Let me show you how to do that. In the top here, you see what looks like a box. It is right here with an arrow up. You're going to click that. You might have to install the app, but that's the app to use Google Slides on your phone or tablet. And there it is. Come on, zoom in. There we go. Now it is in focus. Now, once you're here, you're going to see this plus sign right here. You're going to go ahead and click that plus sign. And on the bottom, you're going to have your tools. And there's your line tool once again. Go ahead and click that line tool. And now, well, gives you options for different types of lines. Hit the basic line, and now you're drawing on it. You might have to go back and forth a few times, but you get the idea. So now let's go ahead. Oh, don't forget, go back and turn it in. Now let's go to the other thing, the crossword puzzle. So we are finished with that now. All right, so we are finished with that. It is now turned in. Here is crossword puzzle. Let's now open it this time as view assignment. That way you could again see, turn it in. And you also see this plus add or create. So if you get in a true jam with this crossword puzzle, I'm going to ask that you go to the add or create and create a document to come back to me with your answers to all the clues. So let's go ahead and open up this crossword puzzle. It is right here. And here are the boxes. Here are the clues. Across are all the ones going from left to right. Down are the ones going up and down. What you're going to do this time, well, go read the instructions first. But to give you a heads up, what you're going to do is you're going to click a box that I've already created. You double click in there, hit capital lock, and now you are writing the letters that fit in those boxes. For the ones that go across, hitting the letters, now they might need to have spaces between them, but play around with it. I'm sure you could figure it out. I know it's a little bit of a pain in the butt, but this is the only way that I could get this to occur or to assign it to you. Let me show it to you on the phone. I'm clicking the assignment, hitting instructions where I have a downloadable icon. Here is the crossword puzzle. Come on, reveal it. There we are. Now you see it. There it is, but it's not really usable there. You're going to hit that icon again, the one that looks like a box with the arrow going up. And now it is going right into Google Slides. Now that it is in Google Slides, well, maybe if you turn it sideways, it would be easier. You could actually click, just like I did with the computer. you could click and it will open up the dialog box. Now, this might be a little bit more of a challenge on a tablet or a phone. And I believe you could zoom in. Oh, that will make it so much easier. Yes, 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 yes. I was able to zoom in using a pinch function, and now I'll be able to type directly into the crossword puzzle. Don't forget to hit turn in, and there you go. Reach out to me if you have any trouble. And actually, I'd love some critiques on this because I figured it out all by myself. All right, everyone. Have a great day.